What's up, it's your boy Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on the infill lots. Today, you are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialists YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I would like to welcome you. Thank you for coming out. Appreciate your support. I would like to do something special today, and today I'm going to be talking about a strategy that I'm using to buy vacant land with business credit cards at 0% interest. Couple disclaimers, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you what's working for me and kind of my strategy behind what I do, and how I do what I do. So if you can, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. If you find any epic wow content, go ahead and drop me a comment if you like this content. A couple announcements. If you are local to the Charlotte market, your boy is hosting a meetup each and every month. It's going to be January 28th from 7 to 9 p.m. Come check me out. Got a couple goodies for you down in the description, a couple ebooks. I do have a paid course if you're looking for a strategy on how to get into the land game, $9.97. Holla at your boy. Without further ado, I'm going to jump right in. Today we're going to be talking about how to leverage business credit. Hear me out, okay? This is not to be abused, ladies and gentlemen. I know a lot of people will try to finesse and try to do this and do that. This is for you to be able to not only take advantage of deals, but to be able to grow your business, okay? I think business credit is definitely a surefire way where you can grow your business, where you're able to kind of get in deals with no money, if you will, okay? So on the left-hand side of the screen is Chase business cards. I have 3 cards with Chase. One thing about Chase that you need to know is that you can shift your balances, available credit, your available credit from one card to another card, okay? So let's just say, okay, cool. All right, so will this show the balance? All right, so basically, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I shifted everything that I have to this one card right here, and basically it gave me a balance of $54,000. Okay, this credit line is for $54,000, and basically what I use this, as you can see, the total credit limit right here is $54,000. Now, one thing I love about this, ladies and gentlemen, is the 0% interest. Okay, so basically all you do is pay 1% of the balance. So just to do some quick math here, let's see what my monthly payments will look like. 27,000. Let's just say 870. All right, so to leverage $27,869.39, my payment is going to be somewhere around $278, $79. That's a great opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Hear me out. Great opportunity for you to get in the game, for you to leverage these opportunities with vacant land. All right, so as you can see on the right side of my screen, this is called Plastiq, Plastiq. I'll put the link in the description for you in case you want to get set up for Plastiq. Actually, let me step back a little bit, okay? You may be asking, how did you get business credit? A lot of people is not really hip on business credit, how to get business credit. I use the company, and I'll put the link in the description, called Fund and Grow, okay? However, they were able to get me, within a year, they were able to get me $160,000 in business credit, okay? Was the process easy? No. Were they very responsive? No. But I get it. They got a lot of business, and they just doing what they do. So, would I recommend them? Maybe, okay? I'm just keeping it 100 with you. My experience with them was not the greatest. I'll be honest. It just was not the greatest. You know, I'm trying to follow up with people, asking for when I'm going to go for a next round of funding. And it was just all over the place, okay? So, I wouldn't recommend them if, you know, you're brand new. You could do this on your own. Hear me out. I could just run a list of the credit cards that I got approved for. I actually got the cards right here. So I could just basically hip you to the banks they went to, and you can go to and apply for business credit. All right, so the first bank I got a card with was Dogwood State Bank, okay? Dogwood State Bank. All right, I got a card with them. I'll tell you how much I got with Dogwood State Bank. I got it written down here. Give me 1 second. All right, so Dogwood State Bank, they gave me a $15,000 line. All right, let's go to the next one. This will be South State Bank. And I have 2 cards for South State Bank. The first card they gave me $20,000, and the second card they gave me was $5,000. Okay. All right. That's South State again. Actually, I apologize. I have 3 cards for South State Bank. The first one was for $20,000. The second one was for $5,000. And the third one was for $25,000. Okay. So that was basically $50,000 on 3 cards. You know what I'm saying? $50,000 on 3 cards for South State Bank right here. All right. And these are all, one thing I like about this is, ladies and gentlemen, these are all business lines of credit. It does not report to my personal. It does not affect my debt to income ratio. Yes, you have to be the personal guarantor, the PG. Yes, you have to have a decent credit score. My credit score is high 7, so I was able to get these lines of credit. All right. Another one is, it's called Evergreen by number 1 FNBO. Evergreen by number 1 FNBO. Just Google these cards and you should be able to find them. They gave me $15,000. All right. Bank of Ozark. Okay, Bank of Ozark. I got 1 card with them and they gave me $9,000. All right, I had already had a business relationship with American Express. So basically, they got me a couple other cards through American Express, and they asked for increases. So one of the cards with American Express was $9,000. Another one was $11,000, and another one was $2,000. Okay, so basically, they got me around about $22,000 with American Express. American Express is kind of cheap, if you will. Basically, if you got decent credit, now they are very strategic on how they apply. Basically, what they do is they apply for like 4 or 5 credit cards at one time. So look into that on the internet. Do some research. Don't apply for these one at a time. Basically, I think what they do is they know that like 3, 4, or 5 of these companies, you know, kind of. Oh, and I forgot about Chase. All right, so I already told you with the Chase, you can see on my screen, I got $54,000 with Chase, probably a little over $54,000, but I shifted everything to 1 card, so I probably got like maybe $56,000 with Chase. Okay. All right, so you got to be very strategic how you apply for this credit. Again, I'm not a credit guru. I paid a company to do this for me, but I'm trying to help you get business lines of credit at 0% interest. A lot of business credit cards have a 0% interest introductory APR rate. So that's how you're going to get in the game. All right. So that's a little bit about how I got business credit. Basically, I just hired a company. Going forward, I probably would do it myself. And I invested in a course. And basically, this course teaches you how to do it and how to go after this business funding. All right. So the second thing, the partner, to be able to make this credit card cash, liquid, I use a company called Plastiq, Plastiq. Would I recommend them? Yes. Do I like Plastiq? Yes. Basically what I do is I just put my attorney information in there, I put their wiring instructions in there, and I just upload a HUD. And basically they just wire the money. It typically get there within 24 hours, sometime the same day. So as you can see, there's a couple properties that I was able to purchase, you know, using a credit card, and then I'm a flip. You know what I'm saying? These are, Lord's willing, I'll be building on these 2 properties right here. I'll be doing new construction, Lord's willing. But the rest of these are quick flips. Quick flips, all right? So basically, as you can see, the fee to do this is, I know a lot of people are asking what the fee is. It's 2.85% of the amount. So for $5,913.15, it cost me $168.53 to use it. All right, that's not bad. That's not bad, okay? And there is a $5 wire fee. So again, for me to liquidate $5,913, I paid $173. So that's basically, you know, the strategy I have for you. Hopefully you was able to get some value out of that. I know a lot of people do a lot of different things with credit cards, and I know some people, basically what they do is they go to high-end merchants, and basically what they do is they buy like, you know, like a Louis bag or a Gucci bag, and then they return the joint. But what they do is they get it put back on their debit card. So basically what they do is they duck paying any type of fee, which is they would save $168. They would save $173, but you got to go to the store. You got to return it. I ain't trying to do all that. You know what I mean? I'm trying. Listen, you got to pay to play. I'm trying to get in where I fit in. This is where I fit in. It's an easy process to get set up with Plastiq. Very, very easy, and you know, it's not hard to do. Just make sure that you have a business, a legit business. Make sure you got articles of incorporation and operating agreement. I think they just ask for your articles of incorporation and maybe a letter of good standing. I'm not 100% sure. I did have issues with Plastiq at first, and I'm going to tell you why so you won't do this. Basically, I have a corporation, but I run under a DBA. And basically, my business is in a corporation, and I do business as a doing business as. So I got several names, and my documents wasn't lining up. So basically, they wasn't approving it. You know what I'm saying? So basically, what I did was I just ran under my corporation, and just like that, man, I was able. It was just so quick, so fast, so easy. I was able to send money like ASAP. You hear me? So that's all I got for you today. Hope you got some value out of that, man. Again, don't abuse this business credit. Use it, leverage it, use it to get in the game, to find opportunities to do deals, to partner with people, fix and flips. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you choose to do, just make sure it's an investment. Make sure you're going to make some money. All right? Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe. Smash the like button. Leave me a comment if you found anything valuable. Also, if you want to connect with me, holler at me in the email. My email is down there if you got any questions for me. If you're looking to JV, I got cash buyers heavy in the North Carolina area in my market. The hunting criteria is in the description. And last but not least, if you want to submit a deal to your boy, the link is in the description. It's in the deal submission. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. You have a good one.